All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about tools to install seals. Specifically, axle, cam, etc. Seals. Cam seals, axle seals, crank seals, rear main seals. Obviously, you need tools to install them properly. Now this old standard, probably a cam seal, but let's just say for whatever purposes, we're installing it in a place, there's no shaft sticking out, and we can just hammer it in. I'm sure most of you have seen these, maybe own them. They're not real expensive as long as you don't buy them on the tool truck. Seal driver slash bearing race installer. This side's for installing bearing races. This side's for seals. And, well, I'm using one specifically oversized on camera, but you take the seal, you find the right one, you bang it in until it seats flush, you're done. Unfortunately, in the real world, it doesn't work like that. You've got a crank snout sticking out. You've got a cam snout sticking out. You've got an axle stub sticking out. You've got something in the way. So you have to have something to install these. Now sometimes you can get by with just a big socket like this and hammer it in like that, hammer it in like that, and boom, you're done. Chances are though, probably not going to work real well, but it's an option. The worst part is when you've got a seal like this that has the dust lip, to keep debris out from the seal surface. Those are even harder. Now, one of the things I use a lot, and actually a lot of guys in the shop also use these, is, if you guys don't know, I used to work on medium duty trucks. So if you work on medium duty trucks, you know what this is for. Axle nut sockets. This is specifically a 2 1/4 inch. Just about fits this seal perfect. And if you notice, it's pretty dinged up. That's because for the last, I don't know how many years, it's been used exclusively as a seal installer. Now again, there's places where it won't work. I don't recommend you go out and buy axle nut sockets because these are not cheap. Literally $40, $50, $60 depending on the size, and you're only going to use them for seal installing, so don't do that. An option that I've seen way too many times is going around it with a punch and sitting there and punching it in. Way too easy to distort the seal and have it come back. My go-to option for most seals nowadays is this kit right here. Now this is a cam crank seal installer. Front of the crank, not the rear main seal, but that and cam seals. Now this kit is specifically a Blue Point kit, but it's not made by Snap-on. I will link this tool in a pinned post. It is an affiliate link, so if you click on it, you are helping the channel, but it is an affiliate link, so it'll also be a description and part number. Anyway, this kit right here, first off, the seal puller, junk. Don't bother with it. It never works. It never works. Never, ever, 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 ever does it work. But you see all these nice gold pieces? Now the kit itself is designed to stack like this with individual pieces, so you have room for a cam crank, snout, and then you use the correct adapter. You stick it in there, and you use the cam or crank bolt to actually push the seal in, and as long as you've got everything situated right, it'll push it in straight, and as long as you don't roll the seal on the crank or the cam, because you didn't have it on there correctly, it will push it on and install it. Works in situations where you don't have clearance to swing a hammer. Really good kit. I really highly recommend it if you do cam crank seals. Highly recommended. It works very well. But what I normally do, and if you can see right there, this one looks a little beat up. Well, that's because I hammer on it. Now, I don't know if it'll fit this specific one, nope. But what you do is you go through the kit and you see I've got a perfect fit on this seal. It fits around the dust shield and won't tear it up, and you can go in there and tap it in. Now, I normally use a small little hammer for it. You can also take one of the adapters out of the kit that fits the handle to that seal driver kit I talked about a minute ago, and guess what? Boom, 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 boom. Quick, easy way to install seals. Now, it's a little floppy, so it's not an ideal situation, but way better than trying to go in there with a punch and get it going. This is a very good kit and will help you install seals in a lot of awkward situations. There's more than a couple applications where none of this stuff's gonna work and you need the special tool. There's no way around it. There's some applications where there is no way around it. You have to have the special tool. Now, some of those special tools might be a little plastic guide to keep you from rolling the seal. Some of those things are actual presses that press it in. It's up to you whether or not you want to invest in those tools, but these are not expensive and these will help you do a lot of seals. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.